Get that tail, Bailey. Get that tail, Bailey. Oh, no, you want to get the pooters instead? Bailey, please, easy. You'll kill my patoots. Get that tail, Bailey. Bailey, get that tail. That's the girl. Pluto, I told Bailey to get the tail, not you, honey.
Kiwi wants to play with Pluto.
Hi, Kiwi. Where's Rod? Hi, Rod. You just go round and round, don't you? Look at Shay. He's outside, know why? He followed me out after I told him not to, so when I came back in, I didn't know he was out there. Now he's going to complain until he realizes that, and he won't realize anything.